Then environmental issues. Environmental issues, nothing but the air pollutions and its control. First one, according to the WHO, substances present in the air by the activity of the mankind into the concentrations of the sufficient to cause the harmful effect to his health, vegetables property, or to interfere with the enjoyment of his property. Means because of the air pollutions directly affect on the health of human being. First one, the example, because of the air pollutions, industrial accident in 1984, methyl isocyanide, it is also called MIC, gas leak in the Bhopal killed near about 5,000 people because MIC reacts quickly with the water and causes lungs to the swell and eyes to develop the contact. ये क्या हो गया कि इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सीडेंट की वजह से ये भोपाल में जो है ये गैस लीकेज हुआ, जिससे कि नियर अबाउट 5,000 लोगों की मौत वाक़ई हो गई. अबाउट नियर अगर हम देखें 50,000 पीपल वेयर सीरियसली अफेक्टेड एंड बिकम ब्लाइंड. तकरीबन 50,000 लोगों पर इसका असर हुआ, जिससे कि वो पूरी तरह अंधे हो गए. विक्टिम्स कंटिन्यू टिल टुडे टू डाई. उनके जिस्म में असरात ऐसे हुए कि वो अंधे हो गए, किसी के पैर हाथ माजूर हो गए, और ये पूरा के पूरा असर जो है इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सीडेंट की वजह से हुआ, जो कि भोपाल गैस कांड भी से कहा जाता है. इस तरह से हज़ारों लोगों की जो है इसमें मौत भी हो गई. कुछ ऐसे लोग भी हैं जिनके जिस्म पर ये असरात हुए, यानी कि वो अंधे या माजूर हो गए और इन पर ये गैस का असर वाक़ई हुआ. इस तरह से इनके असरात हमको दिखाई देते हैं जिस्म में. जानवरों की मौत वाक़ई हुई, इसमें कुछ लोग या बच्चे जो है इन पर ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट हुआ, उनके हाथ पैर जो है इनके इफ़ेक्टेड हुए और जो है वो अपनी ज़िंदगी भर जो है ये आँख से देख नहीं पाए या अंधे हो गए. इस तरह से इन पर असर हो गया. छोटे छोटे बच्चों की जो है ये गैस की वजह से जो है मौत वाक़ई हो गई. इस तरह से आउट ऑफ 3 चिल्ड्रंस born to the women who were pregnant on that night, only 1 survived. जब जिन बच्चों का जन्म हुआ, उन 3 बच्चों में से जिन माँओं ने उनको जो है जन्म दिया, उनमें 3 बच्चों में से सिर्फ एक ही बच्चा जिंदा रह पाया, बाकी 2 की मौत वाक़ई हो गई. आउट ऑफ 1350 newborn babies, 60 were physically deformed and the 60 premature birth. Then deformed children suffered from the congenital hurts, holes in the arms and the impaired eyesight. Then vegetation in the areas of 3.5 square kilometer around Union Carbide factory were severely affected. In affected localities, consumptions of the fruits like the mango, papaya and the tamarind were avoided for that seasons. We start the sources of air pollutions. Major sources of air particulate matters and the gases, matter which released by the burning of the fossil fuels like the coal, petroleum, etc. Because of the burning of these fuels, the gases are mixed into the air, and the particulate matters, it include the solid and the liquid aerosols suspended in the atmosphere. These suspended are directly included in the air, and because of this, the source of this air pollutions, they come from the condensations or from dispersions process like the erosions, grindings, spraying, etc. And then the smoke is the mixtures of the particulate matters, fumes, gases, and the mists. Dust is a solid in form, and condensations of the aerosols, and the mist is the liquid is dispersions aerosols. And we know that the all are essential or all are the sources of air pollutions. Like this, the smoke from the various types of the factories, and these smoke, and in this smoke, or we can say that the smoke the very large amount of carbon monoxide, and because of these the air pollutions is done. यानी कि इसमें मुख्तलिफ जो है जो कारखानों से निकलने वाला जो धुआं है जिसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड मौजूद होते हैं, ये क्या करेंगे, हमारी हवा को जो है क्या करेंगे कि ये पोल्यूटेड करेंगे, जिससे कि मुख्तलिफ हमको बीमारियां होगी, वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ डिसीजेस इन द ह्यूमन बीइंग। तो ये इस तरह से मामलात रहेंगे। उसके बाद ये जो है निकलने वाला जो पेट्रोल और डीजल से जो गाड़ियों से निकलने वाला जो कंबशन होगा, जिसकी वजह से जो धुआं निकलेगा, इसकी वजह से भी एयर पोल्यूशंस होगा। देन सोर्सेस ऑफ particulate and the gaseous matters. The fine particles less than 100 micrometer in the diameter is include the carbon particles, metallical dust, tars, resins, aerosols, solid oxides, nitrates and the sulfates included in this matter. Coarser particles over 200 micrometers, it includes the largely carbon particles and the heavy dust that is quickly removed by the gravity from the air. Then also the sulfur compound, nitrogen compounds, oxygen compound, halogens and the radioactive substances, and these are mixed into the air and giving, or because of this the air pollutions can be done, यानी कि ये सब मिलकर हवा को जो है पोल्यूटेट करते हैं। The five major fuels burning sources, because of the burning of various types of the fuels. First one is the automobiles. Automobiles, they produce the nearly 2/3 of the carbon monoxide and 1/2 of the hydrocarbons and the nitrous oxide. Because of the burning of the petrol and the diesels, these can be produce nearly about the 2/3 of the carbon monoxide, and the other is the hydrocarbons and the nitrous oxide. They also release the gases like lead and the particulate the lead. Then, and because of these, they directly affect on the purity of the air. इससे क्या होगा कि ये डायरेक्टली हवा में मिलेंगे, जिससे कि इसकी हवा पर जो है या उसकी जो है प्योरिटी पर डायरेक्टली असर होगा। नेक्स्ट वन इज द इलेक्ट्रिक पावर प्लांट. वी नो दैट in the electric power plant, burning of the fossil fuels like the coal and sometimes of the petrol and the diesels produce the 2/3 of the sulfur dioxide. इससे क्या होगा कि इलेक्ट्रिक पावर प्लांट में the burnings of the fossils fuel like the coal, majorly the coal is used in the electric power station because of the burning of the, we can say that the fuel like the coal, because of the burning it mixed the various types of the, like the sulfurs, dioxide, carbon monoxide directly in the air, and because of this the air is polluted. Then industrial process like the metallurgical plants and the smelters, chemical plants, petroleum refineries, pumps and the paper mills, sugar mills, and also the refineries, pulp and the paper mills, and also the cotton mills and the synthetic rubbers manufacturing plants are the responsible for about 1/5 of the air pollution. इन सब की वजह से ये air pollutions होगा. Then fourth one is the heating plants like the homes, apartments, schools and the industrial buildings are sources of air pollutions. Fifth one is the transportations industries. It includes the railroads, ships, aircrafts, trucks, buses, tractors. It is responsible for the air pollutions. Other sources is the dust from the agriculture practices like the pesticides, field burning and the constructions industries. Recently, this is the example in the Delhi, because of the burning of the waste by the field, by the farmers, the pollutions directly affect of the air of the Delhi. ये क्या होगा कि जब कोई, अगर हम देखें कि फार्मर जो है, जो बची हुई जो भी जो है उसे जो जलाकर जो है पूरे जो है एटमॉस्फेयर को जो है क्या करेगा, ये पोल्यूटेट करेगा. इसकी हमारे पास मिसाल है कि दिल्ली में इस तरह से मामला सामने आए हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज द नेचुरल पोल्यूटेंट्स लाइक पोलेंस, हाइड्रोकार्बन्स released by the vegetations, dust from the deserts, storms and the volcanic activities. These are called as the natural pollutants. Like the smog, it is a man-made air pollutions in the urban areas. Dr. H.A. Dace works describe the smoke fog as smoke. This is the examples of the natural pollutants. Then measures and the controls of the air pollutions. हम किस तरह से एयर पोल्यूशंस को होने से बचा सकते हैं. दिस इज द नेशनल इन्वायरमेंट इंजीनियरिंग रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट NEERI established the controlling of the centers in the Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kanpur, Jaipur, Ahmedabad and Nagpur. In 1980, NEERI conducted survey to measure the sulfur dioxide and suspended particles in some major city of the India, found that the chamber Trombay area of the Mumbai is the having the highest sulfur dioxide pollutions. New Delhi is having the highest suspended particles matter. In another survey, Kolkata is having the highest carbon monoxide during the peak traffic hours. तो ये सब के सब अगर हम देखें कि अगर हम इनको रोक सके, तो मेजर्स अगर हम कंट्रोल करें इसको एयर पोल्यूशंस को, तो इसके लिए हमने जो है क्या है कि कम से कम जो है धुआं बनाने वाले जो एजेंसीज है उसको कंट्रोल करना ज़रूरी है. नेक्स्ट वन, इफेक्ट ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशंस. किस तरह से हमारी बॉडी पर, एनिमल्स पर और प्लांट्स पर इसका असर होगा. इफेक्ट ऑफ सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड द सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. Sulfur dioxide can damage the material and the property by the conservation or conversions into the highly reactive sulfuric acid. It results in discolonizations and the physical deterioration ratios of the materials and the sculptures. It also affects the vegetations even at the concentrations below the 0.03 ppm. It is ppm is called as a long form is a parts per millions. SO2 and the H2SO4 both cause the irritations in respiratory system of animals and human being. ये डायरेक्टली हमारी बॉडी पर असर करेंगे जो कि डायरेक्टली हमारे रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम ऑफ ह्यूमन as well as the animals are directly affect because of the air pollutions SO2 and H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Then effect of hydrogen sulfides. What is the effect of hydrogen sulfide? The hydrogen sulfide H2S cause the leaf lesions, defoliation and reduce the growth of the plants. It causes headache, यानी सर दर्द, nausea, collapse, conjunctivitis and the irritation of the mucous membrane, colic, diarrhea, bronchial, pneumonia, coma and even also the death. This is the effect of the sulfides on human being as well as the plants. Some persons lose their appetite due to the unpleasant odor of H2S at 5 ppm. जैसी इसकी अगर हम देखें कि परसेंटेज जैसा बढ़ेगा H2S का, ये डायरेक्टली इफेक्ट पड़ेगा हमारे बॉडी पर, जिसकी वजह से अगर ये 5 ppm से हो जाए या उससे ज़्यादा हो जाए तो कुछ लोगों में जो है इसकी जो है यानी कि ओडर का जो है डायरेक्टली इफेक्ट होगा ये हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड का. देन इफेक्ट ऑफ कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड CO. Hemoglobin has a greater affinity with the CO than the O2. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड ज्यादा जो है ये क्या करेगा, रिएक्ट करेगा हमारे हीमोग्लोबिन के साथ. किसके मुकाबले में? ऑक्सीजन के मुकाबले में. कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ HB with the CO reduces oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. When the CO or carbon monoxide combined with the hemoglobin, and because of this oxygen carrying capacity of the hemoglobin reduces. Therefore, the all body parts cannot be get the fulfillment or the sufficient amount of the oxygen. Why? Because the carbon monoxide directly combined with the hemoglobin. Then smokers who smoke 1 pack of the cigarette daily and inhale the smoke may have the blood HbCO. Means the blood directly contact with this carbon monoxide levels of the 5% or the more. It results impairment of the mental performance and the visual acuity. Carbon monoxide inhibits cellular respirations in the plants by the reacting with the cytochrome oxidase enzyme system. Means the carbon monoxide directly effect of on the human body as well as on the plants. Then effect of nitrous oxide or N2O, it known as the laughing gas. Then it can be the lethal to the human and the animals at 100 ppm or more for few minutes. Its long exposures to 0.06 ppm can cause the acute respiratory diseases. Because of N2O directly affect on the respiratory diseases on human body. Then effect of tobacco smoke. It causes the lung cancer and pulmonary and the coronary hair diseases, thickening of bronchial epithelial layer, loss of ciliated cells, appearance of the cells with the basal nuclei, which are the precursors to the cancer cells. Means the smoke directly affect on the inner side, like the effect on the lungs, respiratory tracts, as well as the main thing on the lungs, epithelial layer, and also the cells of basal nuclei. Then general effects. Air pollution can cause the black lung disease. Why? Inner sides of the lungs, these carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide particles can be deposited internally, and because of the internal side the lungs become the black. ये अंदर से जो है ये डिपॉजिट होंगे और डिपॉजिट होकर जो है ये क्या करेंगे, अंदर से ही जो है हमारी जो है क्या करेंगे, लंग्स को ब्लैक बना देंगे. देयरफॉर इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ ब्लैक लंग डिसीज. एस्बेस्टोसिस, then emphysema, chronic bronchitis, pollen allergies, lungs cancers, etc. The bronchitis, the word is taken from the bronchus. The bronchus is the parts of the lungs, and because of the deposit and giving the disease is called as a chronic bronchitis, and because of the pollen allergies can directly affect on the respiratory system of human being. Then preventions and the controls of the air pollutions. हम किस तरह से इसको रोक सकते हैं? First one is a source control, like emissions of the contaminant to the atmosphere is checked by the using device positive crankcase, ventilations, valve, and the catalytic converters. Then pollutions under control, PUC certificate is mandatory for all vehicles. Means the PUC control these types of the certificate giving those vehicles, they cannot be giving the air pollutions. Therefore the mandatory PUC for all vehicles to check the particulate pollutions from the industries and the power generations. They should use the electrostatic precipitation to check the gaseous pollutants of the industries and the power stations. They should use the fine spray of the water in a device known as the scrubbers, which separates the ammonia and the sulfur dioxide. By these measures, we can minimize or control the air pollutions. Other gases can be removed by the filtration or absorption process through the activated carbon. All vehicles like petrol or diesel should use the emissions control technology. If not using, severe punished should be given. The Bombay Motor Act 1984 suspends vehicle registration which are emitting pollutants beyond the specific limit. इसकी एक मिसाल जो है कि ऐसे जो व्हीकल जो ज़्यादा पोल्यूशंस करते हैं उनकी रजिस्ट्रेशन कैंसिल की जाए, जिससे कि ये एयर पोल्यूशंस कम से कम हो या उसको रोका जा सके. टू स्ट्रोक इंजन कॉज द मोर पोल्यूशंस, सो दे शुड बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय द 4 स्ट्रोक इंजन. अगर हम देखें तो 2 स्ट्रोक इंजन में ज़्यादा जो है क्या होगा, धुआं निकलेगा, और 4 स्ट्रोक इंजन में कंबशन बेहतर अंदाज में होगा, जिससे कि कम से कम जो है ये एयर पोल्यूशन होगा। देन इंस्टेड ऑफ द बर्निंग पेट्रोल, unleaded petrol is recommended to reduce the pollutions. Instead of the petrol, CNG, compressed natural gas, is recommended. Why? Because of the CNG, the less amount of air pollutions can be done. Diesel engine should be modified so it can be run on the mixed fuel containing up to 40% of the methanol. Because methanol is a completely burning fuel that forms steam, and the water has a flame speed than the even gasoline. Means that because of the diesel engine can be modified with the mixed fluid, diesel with the methanol. We know that the methanol is a completely burning. जब ये बर्न होगा तो इसमें किसी किस्म की कोई भी जो है कि ये धुआं जो है इसमें से निकलेगा नहीं, जिससे कि बहुत कम पोल्यूशंस होगा. All pollutions board are established at the central and the state level. Then these boards have the powers to cancel the license of the polluting industries. इनके लिए अगर हम देखें कि इनमें पावर से रहना चाहिए ताकि जो है ये लाइसेंस को जो है इंडस्ट्रीज के जो पोल्यूशंस कर रहा है इसको कैंसिल कर सके. देन द एक्ट इज डायरेक्टेड टू हाईली पोल्यूटिंग इंडस्ट्रीज सच एज द आयरन एंड द स्टील्स एंड द टेक्सटाइल्स पावर प्लांट्स. The legislation also the bans burning of the garbage and the other waste product in the urban areas, as well as the burning of the fuel for the domestic purpose. This is the pollutions, and we can control the pollutions by using these type of the methods. Next one is the water pollutions. Water pollutions, it is the additions of undesirable pollutant into the water, causing the harm to the animals, aquatic life and also the human being. इससे क्या होगा कि जब पानी का जो पोल्यूशंस होगा तो जिससे डायरेक्टली एनिमल्स पर, जो एनिमल्स पानी में रह रहे हैं उन पर और ह्यूमन बीइंग पर डायरेक्टली इसका इफेक्ट होगा. सोर्सेस ऑफ वाटर पोल्यूशन इज अ डोमेस्टिक इंडस्ट्रीज, एग्रीकल्चर, शिपिंग वेस्ट एंड द waters. अगर shipping waste, waters, these are the sources of the main sources of the water pollutions. Domestic waste, it includes the waste from the homes and the commercial establishment. The waste water coming from the homes directly affect on the water pollutions. This is like the directly effect of the water pollutions on the fishes, and because of the industries, the wastewater directly include into the main water, and because of these the water pollutions can be done because of these pollutants. And because of the industrial waste or the effluents, it includes the wastewater from the industries like the petrochemical complexes, fertilizer factories, oil refineries, pulps, paper, textiles, sugars and the steel mills, tanneries, distilleries, coal, washeries, synthetic materials, plants for the drugs, fibers, rubbers, plastic are the sources of water pollutions. Then polluted major rivers of the India. Polluted major rivers of the India. Rivers in the Maharashtra like the Mula Mutha, in the Pune, Panchganga in Kolhapur, Patalgana in Panvel are heavily polluted by the industries and the petrochemical waste. These are directly effect on the river water in Maharashtra. The river Ganga from Hardwar to Kolkata carry the urban liquid waste, half-burned dead bodies, pesticides and the insecticides. Nearly 312 industries are releasing their waste into the rivers. About 27 cities contribute 902 million liters of the wastewater to river each day, and water of Ganga affect the health of the 250 millions of northern India. These are the major polluted river in India, in Maharashtra and the other sides of the country. Agriculture water pollutions, it include the sediments, fertilizers and the farm animals waste. एनिमल से निकलने वाला वेस्ट है या फर्टिलाइजर्स है और सेडिमेंट्स हैं, इनकी वजह से ये डायरेक्टली जो है एग्रीकल्चर जो है कि जो है होने वाला जो है ये वाटर पोल्यूशंस होगा. बिकॉज ऑफ द शिपिंग वेस्ट पोल्यूशंस, it includes both the human sewage and the other waste like oil spills from the ships and the oil refineries cause the pollutions. Then industrial waste pollutions, the chemicals of the industry's waste causes the disease like of the liver, kidney, reproductive system, respiratory system or the nervous system in the both invertebrate and the vertebrate animals. Because of the industrial waste pollutant or the pollutions, because the various types of the chemicals directly mixed by into the water and giving various types of the diseases of the livers, kidney, reproductive system, respiratory system or the nervous system in both invertebrate and the vertebrate animals. Then in 1950, Japan illness and the even death occurred among the fishermen who ingested fish, crab, shellfish which were contaminated by the methyl mercury from the coastal industries. Then mercury can produce crippling and also the fatal disease called as a Minamata disease, and directly affect because of the pollutant water pollutions, and this water pollutions because of the mercury. So this disease is called as a Minamata disease, it is called as. Then waterborne infection disease, first one is a mercury. It causes the abdominal pain, headache, diarrhea, hemolysis and the chest pain because of the mercury. Next one is a lead. It causes the anemia, vomiting, loss of appetite, convulsions, damage of the brain, liver and the kidney because of the lead. And the arsenic, it causes the disturb the peripheral circulation, mental disturbance, liver cirrhosis, hyperkeratosis, lungs cancers, ulcers in gastrointestinal tract and the kidney damage. And this is because of the arsenic. Then cadmium, it causes the diarrhea, growth of retardations, bone deformations, kidney damage, testicular atrophy, anemia, hypertension, injury of the central nervous system and the liver. Selenium, it causes the damage of the liver, kidney and the spleen, fever, nervousness, vomiting, low blood pressure, blindness and even also the death because of the selenium. This is effect on the body parts. Preventions and the controls of the water pollutions. किस तरह से हम इसको वाटर पोल्यूशन को जो है रोक सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज द स्टेबिलाइजेशंस ऑफ इकोसिस्टम. Stabilizations, it most reliable method to control the pollutions. It includes the reductions in the waste inputs, harvesting and the removal of the biomass, trapping of the nutrients, fish management and the aeroton, species diversifications and the eco balance should be restored. Then recycling of the waste, यानी कि हम किस तरह से रिसाइकल करके जो है वाटर को जो है पोल्यूशंस को किस तरह से हम रोक सकते हैं. इट इंक्लूड द recycling of the pulp, municipal and the industrial effluents, sewage and the thermal waste. Urban waste can be recycled to generate the cheaper fuel, gas and the electricity, as well as the Okhla near the New Delhi. There is a one large size of the waste recycle plant. It generates the gas about 0.6 million cubic feet per day, having the heat volume of 700 to 800 BIU per cubic feet, and this is the recycling of the waste. Gujarat distillery has introduced the new technology of the waste recycling and disposal, which treat the 450 liter, near about 450,000 liter of the waste daily before letting effluent into the stream, but also generate the energy equivalent to that given by the 10 tons of the coal every day. Removal of the pollutants. There are various physiochemical technology or techniques to remove the chemical or the radio biological pollutants are adsorptions, electrodialysis and the reverse osmosis. RO is commonly used to the desalinate brackish water. Then Council for Scientific and the Industrial Research CSIR introduced a technique for removal of ammonia, mercury, phenolics and the sodium salts from the wastewater. These techniques is also used for the reuse of water after its dechlorizations. These are the main thing. Then radioactive waste management. Radioactive waste management. Radiations from these materials is hazardous to the health of all living forms. Radioactive waste is these are the normally closely protect to avoid the emissions from the reaching organism, but due to the atomic explosions and also due to the atomic reactors, large quantity of the radioactive materials find its way in the ecosystem. Atomic explosions are comparatively favor, but atomic reactors is a constant features. Radioactive waste is deposited in the deep pits in the deserts areas or in the sea bottom. Their pits are kept by the concrete to avoid the contaminations. In spite of all precautions taken, the waste leaks in the ecosystem. This is the radioactive waste management. Radioactive waste management. Like this. Look at this. And also in the desert, and in the, because by the giving the packing these materials.